If you are tired of paying massive domain renewal fees every single year, you are probably crying into your coffee every time GoDaddy sends an invoice. You look at your credit card bill and wonder why you pay so much money for simple web addresses. DomainRack 2.0 claims to fix this headache forever without monthly fees or complicated tech setups. It promises to hand you a fully automated domain registrar shop in minutes. You can automatically add millions of domains from every single extension. The big idea is that you can undercut major companies like GoDaddy or Namecheap. You set your own prices, the system handles the registration, and you keep the profit. Plus, you can use the platform to buy names for your own websites at rock-bottom wholesale prices. The sales page claims that anyone can do this in 3 simple steps. Let's break down those steps and see how they work. Step 1 is logging into the cloud interface and entering your payment details. The dashboard is clean and onboarding is easier than making instant noodles. There's nothing to download or install. Step 2 is letting the automation populate your new shop with millions of available domains. It's a simple one-click setup. Step 3 is letting the system handle the sales automatically. When a customer buys a domain, the platform registers it instantly and sends you the profit. Boom, pure profit straight to your dashboard. Here's what actually moves the needle inside this software. Let's talk about the real features that can save you time and money. First, the software has a built-in AI engine that finds high-value expired domains. These are names that usually retail for thousands of dollars because of their existing SEO authority. You can snatch them up for absolute peanuts. Second, the front-end package includes over 1 million starter business leads. The AI engine writes the sales messages and sends them to these leads on your behalf. This is a huge time saver because you don't have to write pitch emails manually. Third, you get blazing fast cloud hosting and free SSL encryption included for your storefront. This is a great emotional win because you never have to pay for separate website hosting again. You run your entire domain business with 0 extra monthly overhead. Let's talk about the math because numbers never lie. Right now, during the early bird launch phase, the front-end price is just $17 one time. Let's compare that to the traditional options. A standard .com domain from a regular registrar might cost $12 for the first year, but then they hit you with a $25 renewal fee next year. If you're an active marketer who owns 50 domains like I do, you pay over $1,000 every single year just to keep your websites alive. With DomainRack 2.0, you pay $17 once and you own the platform forever. It pays for itself the moment you register or renew a few names. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Welcome to DomainRack, the app that allows you to start your very own domain selling business, harnessing the power of AIs and setting up your shop in a matter of minutes. Let me just show you how quickly it works and everything you need to know about DomainRack. You're going to have your very own link that you're going to be able to modify and white label however you want by changing the logo, the fabric, and the name, completely branding it as your own. After that, you're able to have access to all of these tools here that you're able to give to your customers either for paid or for free, so they can use it to either find or buy a domain from you or use it for their own use. You can also have ad spots. If you're going to integrate your domain with AdSense or any other ad revenue system, you'll be able to use it for your website and share it here. DomainRack is completely SEO optimized, so ranking high is extremely possible, and you're going to have revenue just from these ad spots. You can modify anything on DomainRack, such as footer links, your TLDs, and you have a bunch of them right here that you can use, or you can add your own or have DomainRack add more for you, as well as change their prices, make sure who is featured, which one isn't featured, so you can make as much money as possible. And even the TLD order in which they should be shown to your customers depending on which price you want to push forward, what you want to focus on. You even have an integrated AI helper here that allows you to chat with our DomainRack AI and ask him everything you want to know about either DomainRack or about what domains and TLDs you should push forward. And after everything is done, this is how your domain is going to look. If we go in here and we search for example, we're going to see all of the changes that we made come into play. We'll see that the current domain rack is taken, but then we're given all of these other options that we can immediately buy and use. You can even use this to buy domains for yourself at a cheaper price. So check it out right now. I can't wait to see you inside, and I can't wait to help you get this domain business up and running.
Imagine if minutes from now you could set up your very own domain registration platform and get paid every time someone browses your shop or registers a domain. And you could do it all today while canceling your own GoDaddy and Namecheap domain renewals, all thanks to a revolutionary new app called DomainRack. DomainRack lets you create your very own domain registrar platform and start selling as many domains as you could dream of. It's all done with the power of AI. And get this, new for September 2025. The AI does domain research for you, getting you cheap domains in high-priced niches. The AI finds you millions of done-for-you targeted business leads for those domains. The AI writes to these leads on your behalf, promoting sales of rock-bottom domain prices. The AI closes the sale, gets you paid, then generates lists of further domain names ideas to upsell your customers on the checkout page, all on autopilot. So unlike other domain platforms, this one actually gives you red-hot traffic and finds you customers too. It's all automated. You get your own platform set up for you, and customers can purchase from there. You can set any prices you want to. When you get an order, the system automatically registers the domain, pays the rock-bottom registration fee, then sends you the difference. You can further monetize your domain shop with banner ads, affiliate offers, or by selling your own services like hosting, SEO, etc. And of course, you can use it for yourself free of charge too. Guess what? It even lets you upsell hosting packs to your customers that you can then get at no cost to you. Starting your own domain service has never been easier. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface and insert your payment details. Step 2. Your own domain shop is set up for you and sales automatically handled by the system, all fully hosted with no expense. Step 3. Get paid anytime someone registers a domain from your shop, plus monetize with ads, affiliate offers, and own services. And get this, DomainRack will also set up DNS name servers for you whenever you get a new domain name, meaning there's no restriction anymore between you and getting your dream website and domain up and running in minutes, and with zero cost too. How cool is that? Listen, you probably already own a few domain names yourself. I know I have over 50 of them. Buying them from GoDaddy or Namecheap is always a headache, with non-stop upsells and paying 3 to 4 times when renewing them a year later. And along with you, so are over 350 million other people. Yes, 350 plus million active domain subscriptions renewing each year. It's such a huge market. It's just mind-boggling. Now imagine being able not just to cancel your own domain subscriptions forever, but also start selling domains to others at rock-bottom prices, much lower than GoDaddy or Namecheap. DomainRack lets you do it all, and it's AI-based. So once you configure it in the beginning, you really don't need to do anything else. That's right, get ready to own your very own domain shop where you can. Auto-add millions of domains from every tld.com, .net, .org, etc. Sell unlimited domains and get paid for every sale. Register domain names for yourself for free. Monetize further with ads, upsell offers, affiliate products or services. Unlimited traffic built in, no need to get any traffic yourself. Blazing fast hosting included. Your domain shop has 99.9% guaranteed uptime, free SSL encryption included, and brand new for September 2025. 99 plus premium AIs built right inside DomainRack to help you with domain research, registration, website setup, hosting, design, content, finding leads, writing to them, closing sales, you name it. I'm talking about brand new ChatGPT 5 Pro, brand new Grok X AI Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 4 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 4.1, and 99 other premium AIs, all integrated with our DomainRack domain registrar. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Many others have already picked it up and are earning like crazy. I mean, hundreds of sales every week with close to zero work. That's the good life. DomainRack is the next big step in the domain registration business and the next big step for you in your online business. The only problem? The limited release discount price is only available for the next few hours, so hurry and get started by clicking the buy button on this very same page. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. Go ahead right now and secure your DomainRack access today.
Now let's look at the complete sales funnel because there are several upgrades inside. OTO 1 is the Pro Edition for $36.93. This removes all limits and unlocks an email autoresponder. OTO 2 is the Enterprise version for $26.93. This is my top pick because it allows you to sell dedicated hosting and cloud storage directly to your clients. OTO 3 is the Done For You bundle for $36.93. You get full commercial rights to 5 past best-selling software apps. OTO 4 is the reseller license for $36.93. This gives you 100% commissions across the entire funnel. OTO 5 is the IMX package for $36.93, which includes video marketing systems. Finally, OTO 6 is the white label version for $97, which lets you completely remove their logo. Look, I have over 6 years of experience running sites like TestedApps.com. I put this platform through my usual torture test to see if it holds up under pressure. The store templates look clean and the domain search functionality is surprisingly fast. I set up a test shop in less than 10 minutes. It works well as a reseller interface. However, don't expect the built-in traffic to make you a millionaire overnight. The software gives you a great framework, but your success depends on how well you target your niches. It's a solid utility that saves you money on your own web properties from day one. Let's be completely real and honest for a second. This software is not a magical money printer that requires zero thought. You can't just click one button and host NASA on a cheap tool. The sales page makes it sound like you can make hundreds of dollars without lifting a finger, but that's marketing hype. You still need to pick smart domain names, look at market trends, and manage your customer outreach. This tool is not for lazy people who expect cash to fall from the sky. If you're not willing to put in a basic amount of effort to set up your shop, you should keep scrolling. But if you're ready to take control, imagine a future where you never have to look at a surprise renewal invoice again. Imagine owning an online asset that brings in passive leads while you focus on building your brand. You can run a legitimate online business from anywhere in the world using simple cloud tools. That's the actual value this platform unlocks for smart marketers. Click the link in the description below right now to grab your copy. The special launch pricing will not last long, and the price will go up very soon. Do you have any questions about the setup or the upgrades? Drop your comments down below and I will answer them personally. Hit the like button if this review was helpful to you and subscribe to the channel for more blunt, honest tech reviews. Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you next time.